Where is Playa del Carmen? Hi guys, it's Scott with American Realty here again to answer that question for you. And Playa, as we locals call it, is at the center of it all, making it the hub or the jumping off point for all of the best activities there are here in the area. We're centrally located between Cancun and Tulum, and we're also the departure point for the ferry to Cozumel. So whether you want to go to Tulum to enjoy the ruins or the beach for the day, or check out one of the 7 wonders of the world in Chichen Itza, we're the place to be to start that journey. We have lots of great activities here. We have eco parks, water parks, zip lining. We even have a crocodile farm and a botanical gardens. A lot of fun for the whole family for you guys to enjoy. Now, what's also really cool about this area is our cenotes. Well, a lot of people don't know what a cenote is. It's actually a sinkhole that's formed by the erosion of the limestone through the underground water table here. And they're all over the place and they're amazing, they're mysterious, they're really, really cool. So whether you're a cave diver or you just want to explore some of the caves or jump in the water in a cenote, we have tons of them here that are absolutely amazing. Also on your way to Chichen Itza, when you check out that's the Ruta del Cenotes, is the road that connects Playa del Carmen to Chichen Itza. It's really, really cool. If you're more of kind of an adventure or thrill seeker, we have something for you as well. Not just the zip lines that I mentioned earlier, but also ATV tours and mountain biking trails in Punta Venado. We have a jungle buggy tour that goes through the heart of the jungle and shows you all kinds of wildlife and even crosses rivers there. Really, really cool. So now that you know and you've had just a taste of what the great things are that you can do here in Playa del Carmen and the surrounding areas, come here, stay with us, and get a little adventure in your life. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below and get a copy of our newsletter. It's how everyone stays in touch with what's going on. And you can also check out some of the other videos in our series. We'll see you next time and hope you have a fun ride on your way to Playa del Carmen.